Hello student, this is my first video on YouTube regarding Tally ERP9. Those who have not installed Tally in your laptop, in your desktop, I request you please install Tally ERP9 from tallysolution.com over internet. You can download Tally. Okay, and this is the first step: how to create a new company. How to create a new company in Tally ERP9. So I will show you how to create a new company. After double click on Tally icon, Tally ERP9, that's mean I wants to say Tally ERP9. Okay, you can double click to enter this Tally ERP software. Already I have opened Tally ERP software, and the first step is how to create a new company. I'll show you how to create a new company. Okay, after open Tally software, you have to go in company info. There is a many option, that is select company. If you already create a company, then you can select this option, select company, then login as remote user. Then you can find there is another option is create company. You can choose create company on down arrow drop down. You can choose. I have to click on this create company. You can see there is another option is create company. Okay, create company. After click on create company, you can see there is a directory path. There is a directory path. That's mean after open a create company, you can see there is a company creation. Okay, I'll show you how to create a new company after clicking on this screen. Yes student, after click on create company, you can see there is an option on name on the screen. It's left side on the top. You have to input your company name. That is, I'll show you as an example. That is XYZ company private limited. For example, I have input XYZ company private limited. You can see XYZ company private limited. That is your initial stage, that is company name. Then after click on enter. Okay, your mailing name, that is mailing name. Here you can see on your voucher, you can see it printed on your invoice. That is company name, that is mailing name. Okay, then you have to input your company registered address. You can see anything, you can input anything. I'll show you. That is Sonarpur, Kolkata. Then you can see that is Sonarpur, Kolkata. That is example, only for example. Then you have to choose your country code, that is India. After you have to select your state. My state is West Bengal. Already, that is pin code, your area pin code, that is 700151. Okay, that is company's phone number. I'll show you company's phone number. That is 9836 For your example, that is mobile number 9831 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's maybe different for your own number. Your email ID xyz@gmail.com. Okay, you can see I have already input company's web address www.xyz.com. Okay, only for example, I'll show you how to create a new company. This is the first class in YouTube on the Tally ERP9. Okay, then click on enter, and you can see you have to choose a financial beginning year. That is we already know that is financial year start from every year's month of 1st April, and it will end on 31st March in every year, every next year. Okay, that is I can input uh, 1st of April 2020 and books of beginning from 1st of April 2020. There is a two option for your financial year details. One is financial year begins from, okay, and other is books of beginning from. That is your financial year, you have to mention it, and books of beginning, that is your accounting work will start from which date. That is the initial stage, that is beginning 1st of April every company. Okay, then you have to click on enter. If you want to uh, keep it on your privacy, that is anybody cannot open your Tally data without any password, so you can input any password for this XYZ company open. If you not, that is your first class, so that's why I recommend you do not use this security control module. Okay, then I have to enter this. There is another option. Another option is base currency. It is default. If you are an Indian, that is default INR rupees. Then is symbol amount already default is no, yes. So amount million, no. Number of decimal place 2, and the word decimal is paisa only. It's default. You can change if you want to change, you can change, but it's not necessary for is default currency information. If you have an Indian company, then you I recommend you do not use this option. Okay, and this the main part is for a new company creation, that is your company name, that is your company name. I'll already input that XYZ company for your example. Okay, and the mailing name and your company address and your company country, which state is belong from which state your company, pin code, that is your phone number. If you have a landline number, then you can input this, and such email ID, uh, then website. If you have your company having website, then you can input. Okay, then most important part is financial year beginning from and books of accounts beginning from. I have already input the 1st of April 2020. Actually right now it's 2020 to 2021, it's running financial year. That's why I have already input the 1st of April, it's financial year begins. and books of beginning from 1st of April. Okay, and I'll show you another part is security control. There is, you can share security control. If you want to protect your data folder from anyone, then you can input a tally value password, but it is your first class, so that's why I recommend you do not use this module, this part. Those who have already learned about tally ERP9, then you can use security control. In my next class I will definitely show you how to create a tally value password. This is the first class. I will show you how to create company, and definitely I think you can you have understood, which I am already said you. Okay, this is my tally ERP9 scheme. Okay, I think it will help you for your better future. If you want to job in a company, in a private limited company or any other institution, you have to, I suggest you have to learn about tally ERP9. This is the most important things nowadays. It is so many popularity already gathered in tally ERP9. There is a part of accounts which not belongs to account students. It's such as it's art student or is a science student. Everyone can learn about tally. Okay, this is my first class. I already said you, this is my first class. Okay, I'll if you have any problem regarding company creation, then you have to uh, comments on my video. Okay, after watching it, thank you for watching tally ERP9, and thank you for watching Sumit's video on accounts. Thank you.